Okay, so kung wala kayong alam na maluto, ito ang simple dish. Ito ay chicken breast na finilay ko, fillet yan, deboned, manipis. Pipigaan natin ng kalamansi, no? Sama natin yung buto. Pigaan ng kalamansi. Kalamansi. Tapos, ground black pepper. Bigyan natin ng MSG. Tak. Yan. A pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Then, an insane amount of soy sauce. Yan. Okay, I think that should be enough. Pero gusto ko pang may maraming kalamansi. Yan. Okay, so that should be good enough. Then what's next? We mix them all up. Mix them all up using your hands. Alright? Huwag matakot pag mandiri. Yan. Ito yung madaling dish na pag wala kang maluto, tapos wala kang masyadong ingredients, kundi yan, meron kang chicken breast, kalamansi, toyo, pwede na. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano. I'll show you. Alright. So, oops, mali. Wala pala dyan yun. Okay. Ito na yung chicken na marinated, no? Check it out. Yan. Yan. Then we have our onions. At eto na. Ginit na ako. Yan natin ng oil. So, ito yung recipe parang parang bistek. No? Parang bistek Tagalog. Except chicken yung ginamit natin. Sarap ito eh. Isa sa mga paborito kong ulam. So, let's start. Mabilis lang ito maluto. Siyempre, hindi ko siya iluluto lahat. Okay. Bilis lang maluto nito. Ito pang Knorr seasoning. So mamaya, pagkabaliktad ko, yan, babaliktad ko na yan. Bilis lang maluto eh. Kasi nga, pinilay ko siya eh, manipis. Maganda kasi manipis lang yung naka-slice siya ng manipis. No? And I'll turn the fire way down, ultra low. No? Isang maluto yan. Lagyan natin ng konting toyo from the marinade. Mm. Yan. Then, seasoning, nor. Yan. Careful not to overcook kasi titigas, hindi na siya magiging juicy. Dali ano, yan lang. Actually, talagay ko luto na yan eh. So, 1 minute lang, takpan natin. Alright. Next, lagyan natin ng onions na ngayon. Lagyan natin yung onions. Turn the fire off. No? Yan. And buksan natin yan after about a minute. Alright. So, let's have a look. Yeah. So, you could actually smell the onions. Okay, let's feel it. Hot. Okay. Paano ba to? Ayan. So, natin siya. Ayan. There. And there you have it. That's our chicken bistek. Okay. Try the recipe. You're gonna like it. It's very easy. So nakita nyo, ang bilis lang niluto. I mean, minutes lang. Minarinate ko kanina after lunch. Then today's dinner time. So malasa na yan. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Senor Cooks. I'm Jerry. Have a good day or have a good night. Bye. All right. So you saw this. How was this made? Sarap. Eksakto yung yung calamansi, toyo. So I'm having my dinner now. Good evening. Don't forget to subscribe to Senor Cooks. Again, my name is Jerry. Have a good one. Bye-bye.